Hey there, YouTube. It's me, the evil rabbit. I'm very frightened. I'm scared. I'm still in claymation form. I can't shake it. I don't know how to get rid of it. And it seems that it's spreading. There are others. There are other YouTubers who have gone claymation. Yeah, check this out. Over here. I have no idea. It looks like a stupid little monkey. But he claims he's a YouTuber. There are going to be people looking for him. It's not my fault. I did not do this. I mean, who's next? I really don't want to see YouTubers turning into claymation. I mean, Renento? Blunty? How scary would it be to see the evil Willy Wonka claymation? I hope all is well. I'm frightened. I'm so scared. Poor stupid little monkey. Later, YouTube.